Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve WBH Inter School Test 10 prepared by Suchinto Das. আমরা WBH টেস্ট পেপারের 2024 ক্লাস 12 এর আমরা সলভ করব 10 নম্বর স্কুলটি ইন্টার স্কুলের। চলো শুরু করা যাক। Kalam's ancestral house was built in middle of 1801 to 19,000. The boy lost balance and fell on the sidewalk. The jar made the hermit in simple cloth. The engine whistle shrinked. The poet is sure that dash cannot fade beauty, sun cannot fade beauty. The cricket song is shrill. The soldiers sleep in sunlight. The root of the tree is white. Drama থেকে এমসিকিউ রয়েছে he is old and ugly as a worn out cab horse said by Chubukov. Do be a reasonable man. The speaker is Lomov. Chubukov considered Lomov as dead as he does not drink. Oxen Meadows is also known as গ্রিনল্যান্ড। প্রোজ থেকে কিছু প্রশ্ন রয়েছে, তবে কিছু কিছু একদম টোটালি আনকমন কোশ্চেন্স এবং এই টাইপের কোশ্চেন্স মেবি আসবে না, সেই সমস্ত প্রশ্ন উত্তরগুলোকে আমি করিনি। তো যেগুলো মনে হয়েছে আসবে সেই রকম প্রশ্নগুলোকে চুজ করা হয়েছে। তো চলো এসিকিউ অ্যান্সারগুলো দেখে নাও। প্রথম প্রশ্নটি হলো Why did the hermit not answer Jar's questions at first? The hermit did not answer Jar's questions at first because he wanted the jar to find the answer of his questions through his own experience. What is half Nelson? Half Nelson is a special hold by neck in wrestling. Oh, how lucky you were! Who called and whom lucky? The blind girl called the narrator lucky in the short story The Eyes Have It. What was the hermit's answer to the second questions of the jar? To the second questions of the jar, the hermit's answer was people with whom we are at present are the most important people. When did Kalam's father used to wake up? Kalam's father used to wake up at 4 a.m. কবিতার প্রশ্ন Where was the soldier's feet? The soldier's feet were among the flowers. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem Shall I compare thee to a summer day? The rhyme scheme of the poem Shall I compare thee to a summer day is A B A B C D C D E F E F G G G. How does the river flow? The river flows slowly through the small green valley. Where from the miniature boughs come out? The miniature boughs come out from close to the ground. বড় প্রশ্নগুলোর মধ্যে আমি তোমাদের বলবো ইয়েস অক্টোবর ইজ দ্য বেস্ট টাইম, এই প্রশ্নটা ভালো করে পড়বে। এরপর রয়েছে কনসিডার অন কিলিং আ ট্রি অ্যাজ দ্য স্ট্রং মেসেজ এগেইনস্ট দ্য ডিফরেস্টেশন, এটা পড়বে। Describe the valley where the soldier lie, and how does the last line stand as sharp contrast to the whole poem? Proposal is a one-act play, এইটা পড়বে। নাতালিয়ার ক্যারেক্টারটা এসে গেছিল, তাই দরকার নেই, ওই কোশ্চেন্সগুলোই তোমরা পড়বে। এরপর গ্রামার প্রশ্নের অ্যান্সারগুলো দেখে নাও। He takes the lead in summer luxury. ভয়েস চেঞ্জ করলে the lead in summer luxury is taken by him. Ants are usually formidable creatures. Complex sentence করো Ants are usually creatures who are formidable. There is nothing to argue about. Noun form করো There is no argument about anything. What is it like outside? I asked. I asked what it was like outside. She was an interesting girl. Exclamatory sentence করো What an interesting girl she was. The sun rays were bright. they light up the valley. Simple sentence e koro. The bright rays of the sun lit up the valley. Article preparations. It often happens that people with good eyesight fail to see what is right in front of them, and they have too much to take in, I suppose. People who cannot see have to take in only the essentials. They seemed very afraid about her comfort. এই afraid এর জায়গায় হবে anxious. রাইটিং এর মধ্যে যে রিপোর্টটা রয়েছে ওটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট এবং লেটারটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট তোমাদের, তবে রিপোর্টটা এখন প্রোভাইড করব। সায়েন্স এক্সিবিশন ইন ইয়োর স্কুল, অবজারভেশন অফ সায়েন্স exhibition in your school. Science exhibition observed in XYZ school by a staff reporter. হরিরামপুর October 16, 2023. তোমরা তোমাদের তারিখ দিয়ে দেবে। Science exhibition was observed in a great manner in the school auditorium of XYZ High School. The school auditorium richly decorated with flowers, balloons and festoons. A number of students from various classes participated the exhibition. The science exhibition was held in honor of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday. The chief guest of this exhibition was Obhijit Sarkar, one of the renowned scientists in our district. তোমরা তোমাদের মতো দিতে পারো নাম। The exhibition started at 12 p.m. and was open to all the parents and the students of the school. The headmaster of the school gave a valuable speech about science exhibition and announced that the best 3 exhibits would be selected by the National Science Foundation. As the exhibition started, various students presented their project. Mr. Abhijit Sarkar, along with the headmaster, went around looking at the different models designed by the students and assessed the description given by the students. Mr. Dash gave a speech on the importance of the contribution of the young generation to the field of the science and technology. At the end of the exhibition, after careful inspection of the different models and projects, Mr. Abhijit Sarkar selected 3 projects from class 9, class 10 and class 12 respectively. Everyone who participated in the exhibition were given a certificates and mementos for their excellent efforts. Finally, the exhibition ended with the speech of the headmaster, and he thanked the chief guest, Mr. Sarkar, for giving his valuable time and congratulating all the students who participated in the exhibition. এই ছিল তোমাদের আজকের এই স্কুলটি।